Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, everything big. And my NY girl.
So have you been hearing what's going on with the economy? I don't know what to think, but it's a lot going on in the world. And I want to give you some tips on how to prepare for it. I'm not a financial advisor. I have been doing research. I have been doing some research because it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough for us. It's gonna be tough, and I want us to come out on top. Like I said, I've been doing a lot of research. So let's just jump straight into it. Before I say anything, and if you have a job, do not quit it. Get as much hours as you can, because you're gonna need all the money you can. So now that you have some source of income, you need a high yielding savings account. Now with the high yield savings account, the bank will give you money back. So the bank gives you money back. Google it. I have a high yield savings account, and I don't put as much money in there. Actually, my camera died, so I'm just gonna continue where I left off on my previous video. So basically, I've just told you guys about the high yielding savings account. If you don't have one today, I suggest that you create one now, and it's no fees to start it. Just Google high yielding savings account and get the one that's the highest percentage. Now, I don't know how the world's gonna be. I know on the news I don't know if they're trying to scare us, but it's a lot that's going on, especially with the economy and the money, and how paper money is not going to be valuable anymore, so everything's going digital. I see a lot of problems with that, and I do not like that the government is going to be so involved with how much money we make, how much money we spend. I don't like that. I just see a lot of problems with that. So hopefully it doesn't happen, but if it does, we need to prepare ourselves, and we need to make more money. Like, we need to be able to sustain this hyperinflation that's going to happen. Okay, so that being said, I do suggest that you buy into stocks, gold, and silver if you can. Do your research. And before I dive into it, I was doing my research as well, and some of these YouTubers, TikTokers, and that does stocks videos, be careful, because they always tell you to buy into crypto. Crypto's the way, right? I was watching one guy's video. He sounds so genuine, y'all, so genuine, and I was just listening like, wow, he got some good advice and all that. He just want to help, and literally the next breath, he told everybody to buy into his course. So I'm like, oh my god, like, I had a feeling that was coming, but how passionate he was in the video. And I just want to say, beware of people are like that, who's trying to take advantage of the system, trying to take advantage of you, because they know right now you may be scared, you don't know how the world's going to be, blah blah blah. Be aware, because you can find free information out there. You don't have to buy into anybody's course. You don't need anybody to train you. You can just do it yourself. And when stuff like this, I know a lot of people think I may buy into stuff like that. I do not. Like the blue check verification thing, I'm not gonna buy into on Instagram. And yeah, I'm going on a tangent, but anyway, I'm just saying, do your research. You can do it for free, and don't let some of these people influence you to buy their course or to buy into training for like $100. And have you noticed when you see those videos, they always show you guys their wealth. They show you their house, their cars, and all this cash that makes you want to join. But I'm just saying, y'all, do your research, and then you don't need to spend your money on that. So anyway, so that being said, I do suggest you buy stocks, right? You can buy stocks, do your own research on it. Like I said, I keep on reiterating, do your own research on stocks. I did invest about $50, because I am frugal when it comes to stuff like this, because I'm not sure fully. So I invested in some stocks. I don't know if I should just tell you guys which ones I did, but yeah, I did a few. And I am considering doing the gold, because gold holds value more than cash, especially if cash is not going to be available, like paper cash. I just cannot believe that, like, a world with no cash, only everything's on digital. I just see a lot of problems as well. What's my next tip? Okay, so we need to make money basically, but the digital form. I suggest to start a business. I know everybody talking about starting a business. Start a small e-commerce business. Sell, even sell some jewelry and sell each of the selling platforms that's available. I have a video on how you can monetize online. Go check it out. So that's it on my tips. We need to prepare ourselves, guys. I don't know how this is going to be, but everyone's trying to say it's about to be a hyperinflation, and we have never been in a hyperinflation in this world before. So it's going to be really tough. They trying to get, I heard an example saying that if you go to a grocery store, an item that was $5 is going to be about $15 now. That's going to be crazy. That is going to be crazy. So I feel like now is the time for us to save. Yeah, save. I know saving money is not the way to make money, but save for a rainy day. Basically, save for a rainy day. Try to create a business that you can generate more income and still keep your job at the same time, so you have multiple streams of income coming in. Also, I suggest going on social media, posting, because you never know when your videos may go viral. You can start getting paid from that. So this is our time to try to get on top instead of being on the bottom.